Love and Grace of Ma Durga welcomes you all to connect to your inner power. A journey towards soulful healings and reflections.
Hello, Jai Mata Di. So my question for you is that why do we feel fear inside us? That fear could be anything like meeting new people or starting out with something new or being ourselves, and sometimes that fear get inherited in us so much that we just feel lack of confidence despite being so powerful. So I really wanted to know what's the reason behind this and how can we overcome this fear and build our confidence level.
Thank you, dear, for coming forward and asking this question because this question will help a lot of people. So, Jai Mata Di. Firstly, we need to understand fear is nothing but a state of mind. Emotion witnessed by the nervous system. Firstly, dear, you're not the only one who has fear. I think each and every person here has some kind of fear, which can be related to anything. Firstly, we need to understand that fear is nothing but Maya. It is an illusion. And an illusion is something which is very unreal. In other words, imaginary. We are all creators of our thoughts. We all know that, right? So each soul, when born, has no fears. Example, when a baby is born, it's just pure love. They have no fear attached to them. Many times we inherit fears as we grow. So that means that these fears are many times passed over to us. Fear is never about the past because we have already experienced it. Fear is something which is always about the future, the unseen. And future is nothing but an illusion again. So now I'm going to answer what I feel for you, dear. You need to ask yourself certain questions. Do you think you were born with this kind of fear? Do you agree that this fear is self-created by the mind and the power of thought? So if your mind has the power to create such a thought, it also has the power to negate this kind of thought. There is something about fears that I want to share with all of you, and this is my personal view of it. We think that fear is a negative emotion, but what if I say that every negative also has a positive side to it? When fear comes in our life, it makes us realize where we stand in faith. And believe me, all fears are not bad. And certain fears also help us to create positive acts. Example, the fear of karma. Now, coming back to your question, so you said the fear of meeting new people. I can very much say this today that even I have gone through this kind of struggle of fear in the past. Dear, usually this kind of fear comes from fear of rejection and fear of criticism. Try to see people with a new eye. That's what I did. That every person you meet, every soul you meet, has something to teach you. You can learn a lot from their perspectives. Also start to value yourself and start accepting yourself the way you are. Take a small step. Next time when you have to meet people, just pass a warm smile to them and see what happens then. Dear, don't seek self-approval because there again you're going to have expectations, and if not met, then they can again make you feel sad and fearful. Remember, as I said, that fears are created in our mind by the power of our thoughts. What we think is what we feel, and what we feel is what we create for ourselves. As I always say that there are two kind of worlds that we live in. One is the outer world and one is the inner world. The outer world is where everything happens, and then there is another world called the inner world, which is inside all of us. These are also the lines from my book Love and Grace of Ma Durga. So when we think happy thoughts, we create a happy world for us. And when we create sad thoughts, we create a sad, gloomy life for us. And then confused thoughts create a confused life for us. And then comes the fearful thoughts. When we create fearful thoughts, they create a fearful life for us. But there is another truth, and that is that fear is never about the past because we have already experienced it. We are always worried about a tomorrow, about a future. Yes, so fear is always related about what is going to happen tomorrow, what is going to happen in our future. And tomorrow, which is future, is unseen. It is not promised. All we have is the present. If we are only worried about our tomorrow, then we cannot live our today. We miss out opportunities and abundance that are sent our way. Even this coronavirus actually has come to teach us this only. Live every moment to your fullest and to take one day at a time. It is said that to overcome fears, one can meditate, one can try some deep breathing exercises. But I personally feel that one must take responsibility and see things with a different perspective and make a conscious choice to act upon them. This way, you connect to your inner light, your inner Shakti. So, my dear, Maya can only trouble you till the time you want to be troubled. In other words, fear can only bother you till the time you want to be feared or troubled by those thoughts. You have all the power to see things with a new light. And once you're aware of your light, you can share that light with everyone around you. Just live for today. Do what your heart tells you to. Take small steps and leave the rest. Love and light to each one of you. Anyone who wants to ask a question, kindly directly message me on Love and Grace of Ma Durga. Your question may help heal and inspire someone else too.